Motion App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how much productivity apps have improved in 2025. Motion App offers task automation, calendar management, and goal tracking, but is it the right tool for staying organized? The surprising truth is automation. Most people get this wrong by assuming productivity apps are only for task lists. Motion integrates your calendar, emails, and tasks into one platform, using AI to suggest optimal scheduling and reduce conflicts. You can focus on priorities without constant manual adjustments. Another advantage is visualization. You won't believe what happens next when you see interactive dashboards that track progress, deadlines, and productivity patterns. Reports help identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency over time. However, there are cons. The app requires a subscription for full features, and some users may find the interface overwhelming at first. Integration with certain apps can be limited, and offline access is restricted. In conclusion, Motion App in 2025 is perfect for anyone seeking an AI-powered productivity tool that simplifies scheduling and task management. While subscription costs and initial setup may be hurdles, the automation, tracking, and efficiency improvements make it a compelling choice for busy professionals and organized individuals.